Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you how I clip in my Foxy Locks hair extensions. I get mine in the shade Platinum Blonde and they're the Luxurious set. They're 24 inches. So first of all, I just take a section and just clip this up, and this underneath section I'm going to plait, and then I'm just going to grip this up underneath. So then when I put my first free clip weft in, that's all you can see when you pull it forward, so it looks super natural. This is what it looks like once I've clipped this in, and then I just pull it forward so you can see that I've got none of my short hair underneath. And then I take another section, probably about an inch above this, and I just spray some texture spray just so the extensions last all day long, and then I just twiddle the hair into the clips and I secure this in place. This is another free clip weft. Then I take a slightly wonky section, and this is for the largest weft, and this is the largest 4-clip weft. Look at how flat they lay to the head, they're so seamless. Then I take my next section, and this is again another 4-piece weft. And I'm just clipping that in the exact same. I've already prepped my hair with a texture spray. Then about an inch from the parting, I go in and clip in my 2-clipped weft, and I do this again the same on the other side. And then I just have 2 more hair extensions left, so I'm just brushing through to make sure they blend, and I can just see a short piece, so I'm just going to clip in my 1 pieces, and this is what it looks like. I am obsessed.